In ancient times, various materials were used for laying water mains and sewer lines. The Assyrians built their aqueducts from limestone, while the Greeks and Romans used clay. Much later, iron and steel pipes began to be used for these purposes. However, time has shown that these materials are short-lived. They are being replaced by polymer pipes, which are now widely used for laying various pipelines. Today in Made in Ukraine. Today on the Made in Ukraine program, we will talk about how two-layer corrugated pipes for sewerage, boreholes and water pipes are made. For the production of pipes, raw materials in the form of polymer granules are delivered to the factory in hermetically sealed polyethylene bags. Then the granules are loaded into the silos of the production lines, where the preparation process takes place, drying and mixing. After that, the raw material enters the extruders. It is melted under a temperature of about 300 degrees, and with the help of strong pressure and auger transfers fat to the forming head. In the forming segments of the line under the action of a vacuum, a two-layer corrugated pipe with a bell is formed. The inner layer of the tube is smooth and white. The upper layer of the pipe is a ribbed orange. This gives the pipe more rigidity, which is very important due to the conditions for laying and further operation of the pipes of non-pressure sewerage. Mechanical damage of such a pipe is extremely difficult, and therefore it is able to withstand the heavy loads created by the soil. Then the pipe is cooled and cut into pieces. The maximum length is up to 6 meters. Pipes have a diameter of 200 to 800 mm, and therefore, for the production of each type of pipe on the molding extrusion line, set different molding segments. The pipe production line is fully automated. The operator at the computer monitors all the processes, starting with the production, feeding raw materials that comply with the temperature regime, operating the vacuum section of the molding machine, the cutting unit, and the outlet of the pipe to the warehouse. The sensors show at what temperature the raw material melts and the speed at which the pipe comes out. Then the pieces of pipe are conveyed to the preparatory site, where sealing gums are put on them. Each batch of pipes goes through internal quality control. In the laboratory of the enterprise, various quality indicators of the products are checked: the density of the pipes, the stiffness class, and other characteristics. A segment of up to 50 centimeters is cut from the pipe, and all testing is carried out on it. Corrugated pipes are connected with sockets with the use of special gaskets. And this is their huge advantage. For the laying of such pipes, special qualification is not required. It is enough to instruct the workers. It is also not necessary to use special tools or any additional materials. These pipes are durable. They can be used for a minimum of 50 years. In addition, they are much lighter than metal pipes, which greatly simplifies transportation and installation, and cheaper in production. Polypropylene pipes are highly corrosive and chemical resistant, and therefore can be operated in an environment that is aggressive for the material. In addition, the use of this technology makes it possible to avoid groundwater pollution. Using such pipes, today in our country drainage, sanitary and rain sewer lines are laid. After passing all the processes and inspections in the laboratory, the pipes are sent to the warehouse and shipped to consumers.